What's up? Welcome back. We're here again before work, trying to get a nice little sunrise down here in the mud because that's where we want to be. Stay tuned and let's see what we'll get. So I've got a soft grad filter in today. So just look on the back of the screen. This is what your soft grad filters will do. I'll start pushing it down. Notice how the clouds start coming back in. So that's why I use the soft grad filters, to help get a bit of contrast back in the sky. Because if you can see out there, you got really dark skies. I think I found probably the better composition for this photo for that mango tree right here. I've set up over there thinking that might be the nice one, and I am going to get a few photos there, but right here I've got the reflection of that mango tree straight in the water here. Just if you didn't know, the tide is coming in and we're trying to work out our exit strategy so we can get our sunrise. I'm throwing a 3-stop filter in just to make the scene a little bit darker, just a little bit longer, and hopefully put a bit more contrast in these clouds. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. Slightly, see, this is your light meter down here, slightly 2 stops, so we'll bring it up to about 1 stop. See how all the clouds are now started to come into focus a bit more. How do you find the mud, Tim? Oh, I love it, like I'm picking mud, like things we do for photography. It's great. If you're comfortable when you're doing photography, you ain't doing it right. So what photos are you expecting to get off this one? A pretty one. A pretty one. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter what photo you get. Getting out and doing it is what I enjoy the most. Find yourself in a place where you think, shit, how am I going to get out? Water's coming up. So what is it? This is just a 3-stop hard grad, so just the same as the soft grad. It's set for, oh yeah, that looks sexy. It's a bit more hard, as like it says hard, it doesn't feather off as much, so it's just in your face. And it's just brought out those clouds so much better.